surplus DIY is about to come on.
On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. In this episode, I'm going to be making a DIY sand unlimited energy heater. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. On this episode, I'm going to be making a DIY sand heater that produces unlimited heat with no electricity. So stay tuned.
I hope y'all don't mind. Let me just pour myself some coffee and then I'll get started. Check it, you can see the temperature rising. This is the funny part. It looks like I'm pouring a whole bunch of creamer in this coffee, but I really just slowed the video down.
Let's get to work.
In this video, I'm building a compact alcohol wick heater. In the case of an emergency, the power goes out, your furnace goes out, you need to heat a small room. Can you do that? I didn't know if I could either, so I needed to see if I could just scrape together some materials right quick that I had around the house. And this is what I have. So this can does not fit, and it's actually too tall. So I'll show you later on in the video exactly what's going to happen, but basically we're going to just make it work because this is an emergency. So the garage is super cold, it's cold outside. Let's get started. Alright y'all, you don't gotta put legs on the bottom. I just did that because I wanted it to kind of sit a little bit off the ground if it was gonna generate heat, but then I thought about it afterwards and I'm building it so it's the container itself is thermally isolated. Anyway, it doesn't need legs. And follow along because this is really easy to make. Okay, let me just quickly throw these legs on here, and then you see right around the edges there, we're going to throw some sand in there to use it as a thermal mass, because other videos I'm wondering, like, Wouldn't that get hot? I don't want mine to get hot when I'm touching it, so I'm gonna put some sand around there. So yeah, let me just do these holes first, and then we'll get back to that. This is not toilet paper. Well, it is, but for what I'm using it for, it's going to be used as a wick. So this is wick paper.
Okay, let's see how all this works. Okay, it's a little after 7 a.m. I lit the stove about 2 hours ago. So, I'm gonna see if this thing is still lit. Considerably warmer in here. And it's set up so that I literally can still touch it, because this right here is a barrier. But like I said, I originally set it too high and I knew the glass was going to just break off right there. But this is actually cool because literally you got a ready-made source of heat. I think this isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. And it actually heats up the garage pretty nicely. I mean, considering how cold it is outside. And it is cooler and it is cold in here, but it's a lot warmer in here than it is outside. So yeah. I'd say we did a decent job. And for episode 2, I'm going to make one out of copper so you can heat your house indoors during an emergency.